In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp AI agent for WooCommerce using n8n. Whether you're looking to enhance customer interactions or streamline order management, this guide will walk you through setting up a system that integrates WhatsApp communication with your WooCommerce store. First, let's start by opening n8n. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new workflow. This will act as the foundation for everything we build onto next. Give it a descriptive name, something like WooCommerce WhatsApp AI agent, so you'll easily recognize it in the future when you have more workflows. Next, we need to focus on receiving WhatsApp messages, which is crucial for triggering the workflow. Depending on your WhatsApp provider, you'll choose an appropriate trigger. If you're using the Meta WhatsApp Cloud API, select the webhook option. For those on the Evolution API, opt for the Evolution API trigger. Alternatively, if Twilio is your provider, you'll go with the Twilio trigger. This step ensures that whenever a message comes in via WhatsApp, it activates the workflow sequence you've set up. With the trigger in place, it's time to add an AI agent. In your workflow, look for an AI agent node and include it. Connect this newly added node to the WhatsApp trigger. The AI agent plays a key role as it processes and interprets customer requests. It determines whether the AI should respond directly or if it might be more appropriate to use WooCommerce tools for further actions regarding customer inquiries. Our next task is connecting an AI model to our agent. n8n supports several chat models, so you have a variety of options to choose from. You could link to OpenAI if that's your preference, or maybe Google Gemini suits your needs better. There are other choices too, like Anthropic Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, or the locally run Ulama. Remember to configure your API credentials for the service you're using and select the specific model that aligns with your goals. The final piece of the puzzle is connecting WooCommerce. Start by creating your WooCommerce credentials. You'll need information like your WooCommerce store URL, which is essentially the web address of your store. Also, have your WooCommerce REST API consumer key and consumer secret handy, as these ensure a secure integration. With these credentials set up, your WooCommerce node will be ready to go. This WooCommerce node is quite powerful. It can execute a range of operations that will keep your online store running smoothly. You'll be able to get products, retrieve orders, and, if needed, update them. Plus, the node lets you access customer information, create new customer records, and much more. And there you have it, your very own WhatsApp AI agent for WooCommerce, all set up in n8n. With this integration, you now have an automated way to handle customer queries and manage store operations, helping to both improve service and boost efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.